Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. In this innovation competition, I would show you an exciting innovation competition or contest where you can participate. It's known as Beat the Heat contest. So, Instructables is a platform for publishing various DIY projects. So, as the temperature rises, it's perfect opportunity to spark new ideas and get creative in fresh, unexpected way. The Beat the Heat contest is all about designing and building clever solutions that help you stay comfortable, refreshed, and energized when the weather is at its most intense. So they are looking for projects that tackle heat in inventive and practical ways. So think along the lines of personal cooling system, passive temperature control, refreshment, focused builds, wearable innovations, or environmental adaptation that makes hot days more manageable. Whether your approach is lean towards engineering, design, food, or lifestyle. So the goal is simple: make summer feel better. So the contest is an opportunity to explore how thoughtful designs can improve everyday comfort. You might create something that enhances airflow, reduces heat exposure, or introduce a new way to chill out. From the quick builds to more advanced projects, entries of all skill levels are welcome for this project is what they are saying, and the last date for application is 17th August. So what are you going to get out of it? You will get gift cards, a lot of gift cards. 23 prizes are there. You see this grand prize is $500 in gift card, which is good. Then students judge prize, design and make autodesk prize, runner up for prize. You see this, the 10 runner up prizes are there. So you have to submit projects here, DIY projects. So see, this is one such DIY project. So similarly, you can come here and submit various DIY projects into this platform and run that for this particular innovation competition. So if you found this video useful, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a like. You can subscribe to Idea Mela. Thank you very much.